So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys, hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Now this, click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this. Chipset extract, try to first one and click to download. So you can see it just start automatically, so wait few seconds. Then open that and single click to open. Double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting data to install. Now this is installing. It will complete, automatically close it. Then it is done. Then close it.